Ready to unlock a world of NBA action right on your Apple TV? First, navigate to the App Store on your Apple TV using your remote. It usually looks like a blue icon with a white A in the center. Once you're in the App Store, use the search function at the top of the screen and type in NBA. From the search results, locate the official NBA app. It should be easily recognizable. With the NBA logo, click on the Get or Download button to install it on your Apple TV. The app will begin to download and install. The download speed will depend on your internet connection. Once the installation is complete, you'll find the NBA app icon on your Apple TV home screen. Select it to launch the app. When you open the app, you'll be presented with a few options. If you already have an NBA League Pass subscription, select Sign in and enter your credentials. If you don't have a subscription, choose the Subscribe option to purchase NBA League Pass. You'll be guided through the subscription process, which may involve creating an NBA account and selecting your preferred package. After you're signed in and subscribed, you can browse through live games, replays, highlights, and more. Select the game you want to watch, and get ready to enjoy the ultimate NBA viewing experience on your Apple TV.